Oh, look at this one. Beautiful. Hear that crunch. Oops. Oh, nice. Look there. Beautiful. Organically grown, guys. No chemicals. Just water and sunlight and a lot of love. Oh, look at this. Whoa. So guys, today I will be harvesting the pak choi. They have been growing for a few weeks now and they are ready. Very beautiful. They look very lush and beautiful. And so I will be harvesting those today. I will not be able to use all of them, and I'm happy I won't be able to use all of them because I will have the opportunity to give them away. By the way, guys, my name is Sandra from Sandra Fostering, where I do all things nature. If you're new here, I really appreciate your support. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that every time I post a video, you will be notified. Thank you very much, and come with me as I harvest. Leave half of it here. Silly me. Hear that crunch. Oops. Oh, nice. Look there. Beautiful. Organically grown, guys. No chemicals. Just water and sunlight and a lot of love. And a lot of love. Oh, here's another big one. Wow, look at this. Wow. Awesome. You see that? Wow. Awesome. And see, guys, it's yellow and it's bored through. There are holes in them, which tells you that insects have got to them, and you know that insects only infest gardens that are organic, or mainly gardens that are organic. So a little hole is good, a little eaten up is good, because it tells you that it's still organically friendly, so that the animals and the insects can enjoy it. But look, guys, this is one head. One head. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Look there. One head. Alright, so let's do some more. Let's take up this one because this one is so huge. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, it's two. Oh, awesome. Watch it. I'll just take out the bigger ones and leave the smaller ones. Let's take off the leaves, which are not so good. Whoa, 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 whoa. So we have quite a few. This one.
You can't fit in the box.
So big you can't fit in the bag. That's right. Let me get some more bags. Two more. See, I had to bought a bag, pack a bag for that purpose. I don't know how this one is going to fit in there. Look, I can take off this. And I'll just leave the loose leaves in the garden. They will dry down to mulch, or I can give them to the animals. Oops. Alright, so one head per bag, right? And I'm just going to bore a little hole in there. and probably keep them in a bucket of water so that they don't wilt down. Packaging. Pop chow, not for sale. Not for sale. Any more? Alright, let's just bag up. Wow. Last one. Where the ants them come from? Whoa, they must be so sweet. The ants can't resist. They'll clean them up. I should have got some bigger bags, but I underestimated the size. I underestimated the size of these pop chow. Anyways, they get in. Alright, nice. Nice. So guys, this is just from one bed. I'll have to do another one. See, from another bed. Morning guys, it's a really cool and beautiful day today. So cool. So my harvesting continues. So I'll be cutting some more pop chow. Beautiful day, very cool. Oh, look at this one, beautiful. Wow. The last one. So the insects didn't get too much with them, but there are some there. think 2 can hold in this one. Oh, this one is small, so I have to cut one to put with it. It's small. Wow, look at that. Plantain stain, so I'm just going to be using some cooking oil on the knife, just a little bit. And so this will take the stain off the knife, make it easier to cut. Bees alert. Bees. Right. Right, so one person can get this. One person can get that. Split this in two. Oh, that's just awesome. Oh, this is nice too. Two. And this is too small to give away, no? So just do those. Wow, guys, I'm tired.